we would include a form that would ask the user to fill the past medical history and any injuries. Then we have symptom detection. In this, a person can write a free text about the symptoms he is facing, and it would detect all the relevant symptom pursuits. Then we will have a payment gateway for paying for the online consultations and appointments. The technology that would be required for this project are Android operating system, which is a Linux-based operating system. For running our app, then we would use Firebase Cloud Firestore for authentication purposes and for real-time database to store our information. Then we would use Jetpack architecture, which is a collection of libraries to suggest best practices and avoid boilerplate codes. Then we would use XBoost for diet recommendation. Chatbot, we would also use NLP for chatbot. SQLite database would be used to store the details of hospitals and doctors. Model view model is used to overcome the challenges of MVC and MVP models. Software that would be used in our project are Android Studio, Google Firebase, and cloud authentication services.
So this is the workflow of our project. The very first thing that we did was we installed Android Studio and created a new GitHub repository so that we can do our part and then push the code on the GitHub. We then we created a new Android project and connected it to the Firebase. So we use Firebase because it provides integrated mobile platform and it helps us to develop these Android applications easily. And we then downloaded the authentication SDKs and added the required dependencies in the build.gradle file. We then finalized the name of our application and designed the logo from using Canva. We then created a splash activity for the splash screen and added some animation effects to in order to enhance its layout. We then implemented user authentication by creating a sign-in and sign-up activity, and we also created an infinite card slider using view pager for our sign-in page, and we designed the layout of the sign-in and sign-up activity. So this is by far the progress of our report, the application. The very first thing that we created is this splash activity. Our splash screen lasts for almost 3 seconds, and the layout is enhanced by adding slides and animation for top and bottom wave. We have a bounce animation for the logo and slide animation for the heartbeat. We have used text view with handler in order to make the application appear letter by letter. We then have the layout. This is the UI, the screenshot of the UI of the application. We then have the sign-in activity.
Any complete demo is not there.
Yes, we can show the demo by.
We directly come to that first. एक बार इतना theoretical मत बताइए, एक बार वो वाला demo video दिखा दीजिए.
Okay, so should we show you the full? Because we have an application.
It can't be connected to this laptop.
Ma'am, basically it is no, we can.
चलिए इधर खड़ो के दिखा दीजिए.
One more question. How is it different from different apps like NetMeds, Pharmacy and MFine?
Ma'am, they provide a limited features like NetMed is just providing the pharmacy. And if MFine is just providing the lab tests. But our application is providing a wide range of features like pharmacy and also that lab test, online consultations.
No, these are already available in NetMeds.
But for that we have to download different apps.
No, only in NetMeds I am telling you.
Whenever
Just a minute, listen to me first. If you are not having any prescription, right, and if you need some medicine and when you order that medicine from that app, particular app which I am telling you, they ask for prescription or they make you consult to some doctor. After that only your order could be placed. So you know, you can consult with a doctor also, plus lab test can be done from that particular app. And it's not only NetMed, I'm talking about 1mg, NetMeds, PharmEasy, all these features are available there also. Except one thing which I don't know, कि ambulance tracker उसमें है या नहीं है, because I don't know this thing, but all the features are similar to the existing apps.
It's also in your same.
Yes, ma'am.
That means how you implement the payment gateway.
Ma'am, right now we are
Wait, he will tell. Payment gateway.
Ma'am, it's a work in progress. We are still in the learning phase.
तो बताइए कुछ तो बताइए कैसे implement करेंगे. Payment gateway केवल लिख दिया.
No, ma'am, it will be using it through UPI. Scan code will be in the app. The person can scan and can pay.
ठीक है बताइए.
Ma'am, with the help of UPIs, online transactions could be done in the app.